bought myself some smart lights. Because, I mean, who doesn't want to plug the Christmas tree into the internet, right? Hi, welcome to this channel where we are serious about play and games. My name is Jon Back, and today I'm unboxing this box of Christmas lights. This is the Twinkly, and this is gonna be short unbox because there's really not that much in here. A slipcase and then a box with one of those normal LEDs, and in here there's a Christmas light. And it looks like any Christmas light. There's a plug for the wall, and then there's, well, lights. Lots and lots of lights. And there's a really small box here, and that's the only thing that you can probably tell that there's something going on. This one contains a Wi-Fi connection and a bit of intelligence. I would call these smart lights rather than Internet of Things, although the borderline between the two is a bit hard to say. The reason I wouldn't call it Internet of Things is because it's mostly not internet connected. There is an internet connection to it, but there is no open API. Although some people have hacked it already and it's possible to use in other ways now. But what happens is you put this on your tree, and after that you take a photograph of that. And by doing that it can recognize where the lamps are and use it as a form of screen. Very low resolution though. As it's kind of like a screen, I decided to just put it on the front of the tree, so the back side will be filled with ordinary lights to fill up a bit. And now, when I have the lights on my tree, I open up the app. And as I scan the tree, I make sure that I have all the lights. Done. And then I just choose an effect on my phone. Done. That's how you put a pattern on your tree. And this is saved. So every time I restart this one, if I unplug it and then plug it back in again, I'm gonna get the same effect. And it's gonna be there for all time, more or less. I have connected this one to my Wi-Fi. That means that there is an API. It's not an open API, or it's not the documented API, but it is possible to connect other stuff to it as well. And that's what I'm gonna use it for in the future. For this Christmas I'm gonna use it for the tree, but then it's gonna be used for other stuff in my research lab. I hope you liked this very short presentation of the Twinkly. It was a Kickstarter. It should be available in stores now, so if you want one, go out and get one before Christmas. With that, see you around.